Here you have the compressor port and cable 2002 type 3. One of the common problems that this compressor has is that it has a leaking on the regulator. That's what usually happens. This little plastic thing breaks and then it doesn't seal anymore. But we won't use this anymore. We just put it here or just leave it off. With a torque screwdriver, just open the cover. What I have here is the tank and the regulator. But once you don't use this anymore, all the air is just going to go to that side. Because the air just comes to the side when you push this in, when you press it in. What we're going to do here is, we're going to take this piece here, this cover. You're going to use it again. And you just have what? A new regulator. This is a cheaper one from Harbor Freights. But you can buy a better one on Home Depot, a little better, which you can put the regulator on the other side. We'll explain in a minute. Then you just take those connectors, this is also from Home Depot. It's like $1 a pair. It's going to be a cheap fix. Just some Teflon tape. Just twist a little bit. Just pay attention to the flow over here. By this arrow is going to indicate where's the flow. That's why this is not the perfect one for here, because once you put it in, you have to put this back and the gauge will be facing down. This type, if you buy this type on Home Depot, you can put the regulator to this side and the gauge you can switch, take it off this piece and put the regulator to this side here, and then you're going to have a better position regulator. I just put this back here. I just made that video because I tried to find on YouTube and Google a way to fix this compressor, and there's no way to fix. I mean, nobody shows any way to fix it. You just have to buy another piece, and if you buy another piece and it breaks again, the compressor itself is like 160, and the main fold with the regulator and all those gauges is like $50. And if it breaks again, it will be too expensive. This side here you won't use it, but if you want to just put this piece back here, you can just put this piece back and everything is going to be sealed. That's a 1/4 inch. Yeah, it didn't look too bad. The only thing is, it's a little tight over here, but if you flip it, if you buy this one here, you can flip it, and then it's gonna be like that. The gauge to the facing up, and the adjustments facing side. That's how it's gonna look on your compressor. Thanks for watching, and save some money.